Happy Independence Day, everybody. Sorry to all my British viewers, but hey, you know, we did kick your ass in the bloody war, so, you know, we celebrate that over here. Last night we had some fireworks here in town. It was pretty awesome. They do a great show every year. I've got some video of that I'll throw in here for you guys. Thanks for watching the 4th of July special. Nothing too particular to discuss today, just happy to have the day off, happy to celebrate freedom, independence, and all that fun crap. Also want to give a big shout out to anyone who has served or is serving in our armed forces, Navy, Army, Air Force, Marines, and my personal favorite, the Coast Guard. My dad was a Coastie. So a big thank you to everyone who has served or is currently serving here at home, overseas, and thank you guys for watching my channel. I salute you. Every year in my little town here, they do a big celebration, and it's pretty cool. They have a big orchestra come out in the evening and do a lot of tribute to Americana music over the decades, culminating with a massive fireworks display. And it's just a really well done production. They do a great job with it every year. It's always funny to watch the fireworks go off and you think about your tax dollars literally going up in smoke. But hey, it's cool. Went to Indian yesterday. My local Indian dealer, Crockett Power Sports. If you guys are in the Chattanooga area, check them out. They are awesome. They are really, really great people over there. To get this clamp thing replaced for getting my left mirror back on here, I looked online and it was supposed to be like 81 bucks. I figured I better go over and talk to them first. They were able to get me the same part that I needed for 14. So that was a huge, huge savings right there. So I'll be able to get that mirror back on and get a little touch-up paint on the tank temporarily, and we'll basically be good as new after my little incident. And if you guys haven't seen the full damage report about when I crashed the Dark Horse, I'll throw a card up on the screen somewhere up here around the top. Go check that video out. It'll give you a full detailed report of what happened to me on the Dark Horse over there. The other thing I'm going to talk to you guys about real quickly is channel memberships. YouTube has apparently released this feature. So basically you can get like a paid membership to your favorite channels now on YouTube. So my channel, for instance. And basically the channel creators and film creators like me will get to do special episodes, shout outs, exclusive member only videos, that kind of thing. And so if you guys are interested or you think that's something that could be cool, give me some suggestions down below in the comments on like what you would want out of the membership, like what features would be cool for me to add with a membership that you guys would be interested in possibly doing. I'm not totally sold on the idea yet. It's a way for YouTube to help creators like us make a little bit of extra money to support our channels, which is great, but I'm not quite sure what you guys would want me to do with it. So give me some feedback on what you think would be worth it in a channel membership. I also know nothing about what the pricing is on that, if YouTube has it set, or if I as a content creator get to set my own price for a channel membership. So I really don't know much about it yet. Another quick thing I wanted to mention is I've gotten a lot of great feedback from y'all on that dual camera video I did. That was also my crash report video. That was the first time I did the dual camera setup with my GoPro here and plus the GoPro on the helmet. And so I've gotten a lot of great feedback from y'all about how much you enjoyed that. So thank you guys for talking to me and telling me what you think about that. I appreciate it. And I'm going to try and do that setup a lot more frequently from now on. So now I'm going to throw that promised video up on the screen here of those awesome fireworks last night. Got a few seconds, especially that grand finale. It was impressive. It was a lot of great fun. So here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video of the fireworks. That's going to do it for this short episode, y'all. Go have fun with your families. Eat hot dogs, eat burgers, blow crap up. It's America! But before you guys go and blow stuff up, which is very important on 4th of July, hit that subscribe button down below there somewhere. It's big, it's red, it says subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button too. That lets me know that you guys like what I'm doing here, and I will keep bringing you guys more great videos. Comment down below as usual and talk to me what you guys think about possible channel membership. Until next time, everybody, be careful out there. Have a happy and safe Independence Day. Ride safe, ride on, and I will catch you all later. Deuces!